Here we have BMW 3 Series done by Stance Wheels, promoting Stance Wheels. This is a brand we definitely going to bring to the website this year. Look at that, that's a beautiful wheel, 20-inch on this vehicle, really clean. Has the concave look, really nice looking one-piece concave wheel with a little bit bigger wheel in the back. Really nice set of wheels and look on this vehicle. It's really clean. I don't know how well it'll look on film, but it definitely looks great in person. It's a nice job that they did on this vehicle. Another one of the M4 cars. It's your boy King, WTire.com signing off.
What's good? Where you been? Where the money at, baby? That's where I've been. I ride by on the latest like high, ride through the hood just to stop by, and everybody yelling man. They be like, he the 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 man. Hey Q, what's good?